Alright, so we're working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. We're putting together the crate engine for the car. So today I put the block heater in, and it is torqued to 20 to 25 inch-pounds. And I lubricated the O-ring with antifreeze. Alright, also today I put the exhaust manifold on, and those were torqued to 13 foot-pounds. You know, everything was, all the bolt threads were chased and tapped out the holes that were necessary. That would be these here, for instance. But these here bolts are actually supposed to be torqued to 18 foot-pounds. Why that was more than the exhaust manifold itself, I didn't know. I'm just telling you what I found in my book today. So that's what I got done today. I'm out on the farm. There was many other things I had to take care of. So that's what I was able to get finished today with the amount of time I had. And the sun's going down, and I got to be back here early in the morning. So the way this is going to go, as I see it, the other exhaust manifold will go on. I definitely want to put the spark plug wires on these before the engine goes in. This is a very difficult area to reach. Plus there'll be two rods that come up for the coil pack. And actually, if I put my spark plug wires on, then I can put my coil pack on before I install the engine, which that would be nice. We'll try and get as much stuff done on the back side of this before it goes back in. That's really hard to reach. Alright. Then there is a crossover piece on the exhaust that goes from here to here. It was in when I took the engine out. But what I'm thinking is I'm going to leave it off until the engine's back in, because reaching this bolt and this one and this one and this one was very difficult. It was possible, but I had great difficulty. You could just turn your wrench a little bit at a time. It was a quite painstaking procedure. So yeah, it's really coming along nice. I'm not doing it fast. I'm just doing it in my spare time. So, but it's looking pretty sharp. Pretty happy about it. As you know, there will be a transmission that matches the engine. Same warranty, 3 years. So, I guess we are still building brand new Oldsmobiles in America. But only people that are doing the aftermarket bid like me are, which actually that's become a pretty big cult. There's a great deal, many people doing this, and it's become very big business. If you've ever watched the auctions or been to an auction, you'll see that they bring in some pretty high prices. I don't think this is that model that can do that sort of thing, but it's going to be worth some money when she's finished. The book value of the car is $7,140, and that's if it's a good running car with low miles, which we're going to have 0 miles. Yeah, 0 when we're done. So it ought to be worth a little bit. Anyway, thank you very much, and have a nice day.